Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Monday. It's my filming day for my mukbang channel. If you guys are new here, I do have an eating show here on YouTube, Eating Pretty Mukbangs. That's what I like to call it, an eating show instead of a mukbang, because I don't have like a whole pile of food. I just have like just enough for me. And I do story times on Mondays, and then Fridays it's me and my husband and just normal conversation. But it's a lot of fun. I am a big seafood lover. I did go pescatarian for about 3 years, and then I started kind of dipping back into chicken, but I don't eat it that often. So I'm gonna get in the kitchen and cook up some seafood for my mukbang. I'll show you guys how that looks. So while I'm waiting on my water to boil, I'm gonna have a quick little snack. I am a big olive lover, and I recently discovered these jalapeno stuffed green olives. Oh my gosh, so good. So this is the Great Value brand. Y'all give them a try and let me know what you think. So I'm done with my mukbang, and I decided to give myself a full set. This is the brand that I use. I get this from Amazon. I have these in 3 different shapes: the coffin, the almond, and I'm wearing the short coffins today. Then I'm gonna polish them. I'm gonna do a gel polish. This length will last me maybe like 2 weeks. Here is my UV LED nail lamp, and I ordered this one from Amazon. I think it was about $45. It came with like 6 polishes, and it works really good. This is the cuticle oil that I use, and I ordered this from Amazon. I have the link in the description box. I don't know what this is up under my nail, but whatever. I'm a whole nail tech now, so I love the way these turned out. Y'all, I had to show you guys this new lighter that I ordered from Amazon. I seen this on Arvin's YouTube channel. I needed a new one. So this is my old lighter. Tony bought this for me years ago. Everybody loves this lighter, but this lighter gets on my nerve. This is how the flame looks. It's like a little torch. It's a nice lighter, but you have to constantly fill it up with this, and I get tired of doing that, but I still like the lighter. But I love the one that Arvin has, so I ordered it from Amazon. And y'all, this thing is so cool, and I don't have to fill it up. It has a charger that comes with it. So let me show you guys how it works. You just flip it out like this. The lights come on, and then I'm gonna just turn it on so you guys can see it up close. Look at that. It's so cool. So then let me show y'all how fast it lights up. Just hit it. Wait, because I can barely do it in film. But there we go. And I love this lighter. So I have the link in the description box for you guys if you want to pick one up. But I know everybody just loves this lighter that I have. I like this lighter too. I like the cool little torch flame that it has. It's really cool, but like I said, I have to constantly fill it up, and that was getting on my nerves. So love my new lighter. So thank you, Arvin. Well, he probably don't watch my videos, but I like this lighter a lot. So I'm getting ready to clean my closet out. It's a mess in there. I had this Chanel book put up, and it has a little bit of makeup on it, so I took this off. And this is, I've had this book for probably like 2 years, and look how nice it looks. Well, now it has like little stains because I have lotion on my hands, but I'll wipe that off. But it looks so pretty. I wish I would have known it looked like this. I would have took that cover off a long time ago. Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. I'm getting ready to, well, I was gonna do my makeup, but then I'm like, I really don't feel like doing it because it looks like it's gonna rain, and the rain just puts me like in a relaxing mood, especially when I'm at home. I just want to just snuggle up on the couch and just chill. So I'm gonna run next door really quick and go to Hobby Lobby because I want to get some Pampas grass for my studio. It's the same kind that I have in my bedroom. Let me grab one. So it's this one, the one that looks like this, and I found this one at Homegoods, and I bought 2 packs for each side. So the one at Hobby Lobby is like this, but I want to put this in my studio. Now I tried to fluff this one out, this one right here. So what I did was I just wetted and blow dried it, and this is what I got. It didn't get that fluffy. So I mean, it's just not worth me doing all of them. So if y'all know a different method to get Pampas grass fluffy, let me know. But if wetting it and blow drying it is the only way, don't worry about it, sweetheart. So I wanted to go to West Elm and Pottery Barn today, but I don't want to get caught in the rain, so we'll see. Y'all, it's so ugly out today. Okay. Hopefully y'all can hear me. This is so pretty to me. Look at this. How pretty that is. So pretty. Okay. Oh look, y'all, they have the Ula stocks in here. $19.99. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Okay, so here is the ones that I was talking about. And this is $19.99, so I think I might wait. I should grab one of these. And it's a bunch in a pack. I should. Oh wow. These two. These are cute. I might get these. They're only $9.99. I love these. I think I'm gonna grab these instead. And maybe get like 2 packs. Yeah, I think so. I like these. Grab another one. Get the one that got over here because I didn't realize that it was 50% off. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and grab these and put these back. Yeah, so I actually walked around in there today and they had a lot of sales going on. And those Uber stocks, they're really pretty. They look just like the ones from CB2, but they're not as tall. But they're really pretty and they are 50% off, so $10. So y'all go in there and grab y'all some, but I grabbed the Pampas grass. These are the same ones that I have in my room. I just wish they was a little lighter, but they're still pretty. I'm gonna try to fluff these things out, but I don't know. And then I just bought some of these because I think they're really cute. So I can switch them out every now and then. So now it is, turn on my car. What time is it? It's 10:30. I came out early today, y'all. I don't know what time West Elm and all of them open. West Elm and Pottery Barn. Let me check really quick to see. Yeah, they don't open until 11, so we can go to Homegoods. Y'all want to? Y'all want to roll? Let's go to Homegoods. They showing out in Homegoods today. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Ugh. How much is it? I don't see the price tag. Oh my gosh, they have both of them here, y'all. They have this one, they have the gray one. Oh my gosh. Y'all in Jacksonville. Oh my gosh.
Next to the lady's information.
Okay.
This is $249.99.
Okay.
And this is going to be $249.99.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Let me know if I can assist with anything else.
Okay, thanks. So $249, $249. If I could fit this in my car, it would be mine. I'm gonna see if they can tell me the name of this plant that I like.
They get fairly tall.
Yeah. And you can keep them indoors.
Indoor, yeah. The only thing with these, they don't like to stay over water. That's the only thing.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back home and I put my cute little bunny tail grass in this little vase right here that I picked up from Homegoods a while ago when I first moved in. I've had eucalyptus leaves over here, olive branches, pampas grass, and now these. These are so cute. I've always wanted some. I just always pick them up, put them back down, but they're so adorable. And then I have my cookbook turned on the seafood gumbo because I plan on making it sometime this week. I've never made gumbo before. I usually don't like gumbo, but I haven't had it in a while, so I think I'm gonna try this one because this looks so good. So hopefully it's pretty good. But yeah, let me take y'all back to the room so y'all can see the pampas grass. I also put a few in here. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. So here is the pampas grass. I really need to try to fluff these bad boys out because they're stiff, but they're cute. But look at this one. This one is done. So I'm gonna try to wet them and See if that'll help. Okay, I'm gonna just wet them really quick. And then I'm gonna blow dry them and see if that'll help. All right, y'all, and this is after. So I guess that does work. But these are just not like the really fluffy ones, but it does look fluffier, right? So I like it. This one is just like, this one is not completely dry. Let me turn this one around a little bit. And they actually look lighter than before. So yeah. Okay, well I guess I know how to fluff my Pampas now. So just wet it and blow dry it. So I guess I'll do the ones that's in my room. Yeah, that looks cool. Yay. All right, y'all, so I just finished cleaning up all of that mess from that Pampas grass. It may be an easier way to do that. Y'all let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna wait for you guys to let me know before I start on the ones in my bedroom, because that was a lot. I had Pampas all in my hair, all in my eyelashes, everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love y'all.